what is Kashmir looking like right now? Pahalgam, you should know, is one of the busiest tourist destinations in South Kashmir. Whether we talk about years ago in terms of celebrations and more cinematic views that it has, today Pahalgam has turned into a ghost town. It has affected Kashmiris, economy of this country, economy of Kashmir, which was beginning to thrive after decades of terror that had been inflicted on the valley. Today, in the same area, hotels are empty, shops are shut. I have been told by some of our friends who are either hoteliers who run a business that mass cancellations have happened by tourists. It's understandable, it's fear, it's anger. Taxis stand parked, and this happened in hours of terror attack. And I can tell you, Pahalgam streets were not like this in years, in decades, sometimes during the worst days. And that is what Pakistan has done as much to Kashmir while claiming that it supports and it is with the people of Kashmir. That is what Kashmir looks like right now. Mir Farid is in Pahalgam. He sends us this ground report.
Pahalgam is resembling a ghost town today. Just 2 days back, this place was buzzing with tourism activity. They were witnessing a season that they have not seen in the last many years. But today, you will only find forces, vehicles moving up and down, a lot of security. And this famous market that I'm standing on, this is famous Pahalgam main market. People are gutted and they obviously don't know when those scenes will return to Pahalgam, because the kind of, the magnitude of this attack and the kind of ripple effect it has had across the country, the anger, it will take a lot of time for Pahalgam or the people here, the tourism industry, to ensure that that sense of security confidence is reinstilled in the tourists. It will take a long time, and hotels which had 100% booking and they were chock-a-block booked for the next 2-3 months. All of a sudden, within 2 hours, everything was empty. Tourists were going back. They tried to persuade them, tried to tell them that all is okay, they'll save them, but obviously you won't follow the tourists. They were in a lot of panic and fear. We have with us, आपका नाम?
उमर।
उमर साहब, बहुत पुराना होटल है, होटल वोल्गा, और मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था, आप कह रहे थे कि 2-3 महीने की बुकिंग जो है बिल्कुल कंप्लीट थी। उस दिन बताइए क्या हुआ और कितना जल्दी, मतलब कितने घंटों में सब खाली हो गया?
जी देखिए, मैं उस टाइम ड्यूटी पे था, रिसेप्शन पे ही था, तो मेरे कुछ गेस्ट सुबह जो वो कल से यहीं पे थे, तो वो घूमने गए थे। 4 फैमिलीज थी, वो वहीं पे घूमने गए थे, बैसरन वैली जहाँ पे ये अटैक हुआ था, तो वो वहीं घूमने गए थे। तो जो ही वो वहाँ से आए, वो गार्डन में ही बैठ रहे थे, तो पीछे से सुनने में आया कि अटैक हुआ। तो जब उन्होंने भी सुना तो वो शॉक हो गए गेस्ट।
वो सोच रहे होंगे कि हम तो वहीं थे।
वो सोच रहे कि हम तो वहीं थे, उधर से आ रहे थे, उनके साथ बच्चे भी थे, छोटे फैमिली थी, तो वो शॉक हो गए। तो वो ना ही उठ रहे थे, ना ही हिल रहे थे। वो बोल रहे कि क्या होगा।
Pahalgam is somber, it is deserted, and it is a ghost town right now. No one knows when will those good days return. What will it take to reinstill the sense of confidence, security in the tourists? And one reality that they all agree on is that it will take a long time before Pahalgam, which is the most beautiful tourist destinations of Kashmir, to regain the kind of tourism and the kind of interest it used to before this terror attack. With campus Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Pahalgam for India Today.